Welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about hazelnuts. Hazelnuts, also known as filberts, are a type of nut that is native to the northern hemisphere. They are grown on shrubs and trees and are known for their rich, buttery flavor and versatility in cooking. Whether you're a fan of chocolate hazelnut spreads, roasted and salted hazelnuts as a snack, or using them as a crunchy topping for salads and desserts, there's no denying the appeal of these tasty nuts. So sit back, relax, and learn all about the delicious world of hazelnuts. Hazelnuts, also known as filberts, are a type of nut that is native to Europe and parts of Asia. They have a delicate, buttery flavor and are often used in cooking and baking, as well as being eaten on their own as a snack. Hazelnuts are a good source of nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, and have been shown to have several health benefits. However, like any food, they can also have some potential side effects if consumed in excess. In this video, we will delve into the history, science, and culinary uses of hazelnuts, as well as their health benefits and potential side effects. Hazelnuts have been cultivated for thousands of years and have a long history of use in various cultures. The ancient Romans were known to have eaten hazelnuts, and they were also an important food source for the ancient Greeks. The Greek mythological hero Odysseus is said to have survived on a diet of hazelnuts and wild honey during his journey home from the Trojan War. Hazelnuts have also been an important food source for many indigenous communities around the world. In North America, for example, the Native American tribes of the Pacific Northwest would gather and roast hazelnuts as a staple food. Hazelnuts are the edible nuts of the hazel tree, which belongs to the Bichelaceae family. The nuts are encased in a hard, woody shell and are surrounded by a green, papery husk. When the nuts are ripe, the husk splits open and the nuts can be collected. Hazelnuts are an excellent source of nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They are particularly high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Hazelnuts are also a good source of B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, which are important for energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Hazelnuts are also a good source of minerals, including copper, manganese, and phosphorus. Copper is important for the proper formation of collagen, while manganese is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates and amino acids. Phosphorus is important for the formation of healthy bones and teeth. Hazelnuts are commonly used in cooking and baking to add flavor and crunch to a variety of dishes. They are often used to make nut butter, which can be spread on toast or used as an ingredient in recipes. Hazelnuts are also a popular choice for making nut milk, which can be used as a dairy-free alternative to cow's milk. Hazelnuts are often used to make desserts, such as chocolate truffles and praline. They are also used in savory dishes, such as pesto and roasted vegetables. Hazelnuts can be found in many commercial products, including chocolate and nut spreads, as well as being sold on their own as a snack. Hazelnuts are a good source of monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease. Monounsaturated fats can help to lower bad cholesterol level and raise good cholesterol levels, which can help to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Hazelnuts are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Despite being high in fat, hazelnuts can be a helpful food for weight management. This is because they are high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. In addition, the monounsaturated fats found in hazelnuts have been shown to have a satiating effect, which can help to reduce the overall intake of calories. Hazelnuts are a good source of vitamin E, which has been shown to have a protective effect on cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who have higher levels of vitamin E in their diet tend to have a better cognitive functions as they age. Hazelnuts are also a good source of thiamine, which is important for brain function. Some studies have suggested that hazelnuts may have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that hazelnuts may help to reduce the risk of breast cancer. Another study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention found that people who ate more nuts, including hazelnuts, had a lower risk of developing colon cancer. Like any food, hazelnuts can have some potential side effects if consumed in excess. Here are a few things to be aware of. Some people may be allergic to hazelnuts, which can cause symptoms such as hives, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. If you have a known nut allergy, you should avoid hazelnuts. While hazelnuts can be helpful for weight management when consumed in moderation, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes. Eating too many hazelnuts can lead to weight gain, as they are high in calories and fat. Hazelnuts are high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure if consumed in excess. If you have high blood pressure or are at risk of developing high blood pressure, You should be mindful of your intake of hazelnuts and other high-sodium foods. In conclusion, hazelnuts are a delicious and nutritious food that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and monounsaturated fats and have been shown to have several health benefits. However, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and to be aware of any potential side effects, such as allergies and high blood pressure. Thank you for watching. We hope you have found today's video valuable. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.